Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Subaru Legacy Touring Wagon. It's a 2.0 liter non-turbo 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 8,993 miles. It is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, the number that you're seeing at the bottom, 14,474. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 8,993. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle, starting on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos or deals. Also, you can check out our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. It truly means the world to us. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.